The magic of multimedia, enhancing your presentations. Hello everyone, and welcome to another interesting lesson on English language learning. Today, we will dive deep into the world of presentations. More specifically, we'll explore how to effectively incorporate multimedia into your presentations. And don't worry, we'll make this as simple and engaging as possible. Multimedia has revolutionized the way we present information. It can make presentations more engaging, more memorable, and even more understandable. Whether it's video clips, audio clips, or interactive media, using these tools can truly elevate your presentations and help convey your message in a more impactful way. It's not just about using multimedia, but knowing when and how to use it. Multimedia should complement your presentation, not overshadow it. It's important to incorporate it in a way that supports your content and enhances your main points. Remember, the goal is to engage your audience, not to distract them. Let's start with videos. Videos can be great for illustrating complex ideas or showcasing real-life examples. They can capture attention and convey information in a lively, engaging manner. To embed a video into your presentation, select the slide where you want to place the video. Choose the option to insert or embed media. The exact process might differ depending on the presentation software you are using. Navigate to the location of the video file or paste the URL if you are using an online video. Finally, adjust the size and position of the video to fit your slide layout. Audio clips can be equally useful, especially for illustrating concepts related to sound or music, or for providing additional information without disrupting the flow of your presentation. To incorporate an audio clip, pick the appropriate slide where the audio clip fits best. Choose the option to insert or embed audio. Locate the audio file from your device or enter the URL if it's an online audio file. Finally, adjust the audio settings as needed, such as the volume level, start time, or whether it should autoplay when you transition to the slide. And that's a wrap on incorporating multimedia into your presentations. Remember, multimedia can truly make your presentations more engaging and effective, but it's essential to use them appropriately and strategically. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you use these tips to enhance your presentations. Happy presenting, everyone!